So though you're about to watch just a montage of everything I've been doing lately, from lake fishing to stream fishing to river fishing, the whole 9 yards. Now, this is gonna be some small clips, but until I can get some actual good footage up that I can actually make a big full video out of, this is all I could do. So I hope you enjoy this for now. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share it the heck out if you can. If I can get to 100 likes on this video, that'd be awesome. And I'll do something else if I get 100 likes. But first get 100 likes and then we'll do something.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, there he is. I was about to say that. Oh, I hope this is recording. It is. I was about to say that this is really hard conditions considering what we're fishing in. And that thing came up and slammed it. Maybe we'll stay here for a little bit. Alright. Come here, buddy. I get my net. Okay. Nice fish. Really nice fish. Got him. Yeah, there we go. Woo, doggy. Man, that guy slammed it. That is more like we wanted. Come here. I was just freaking dicking around my TRDs that dropped in the bottom of the boat, and I lifted up my rod. I noticed that the tip was getting pulled over, and I was like, dang it, I was snagged again. And I looked at it, I felt it, and it wasn't a snag, it was a fish. Yes! That is a monster. That is a freaking monster. Holy shit. Yes. That is a giant small. Oh jeez. That freaking Ned rig. Oh yeah, baby. That is a monstrous fish. I don't even know how much that weighs, but that's like 2.5, 3. That's a really good fish. Up and do it. Let it sit for a second. Got one, another one. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nicer. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Could this be the one I'm after? Maybe. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. That's the one I was after. Let's get a little picture of this guy. Oh, okay, chill. You're going free, don't worry. Finally, I chucked it way out in that current, and a fish came up and nailed it. Don't know where it is. Might just be a big fall fish, but I'm catching this fish. See where it is. Come here.
Well, at least you can cast far enough to catch fish.
Oh, it's a big bass. It's a good bass. Good bass. Come here. Redemption.
Not as big as the one that I caught yesterday.
Are you bragging over there, sir? Sir? You bragging? Hey, I have redemption, okay? I lost a really good one right here. I got way up in that current.
At least you have had a bite.
Well, currently I only have... halfway decent fish on here, guys. Oh my god! Holy shit, that's a big rock bass. Oh my god, that's a huge rock bass. Oh my god. Like, I gotta get a measurement on that. That's like... Thought you were getting away there, Bubba? Not a chance, dude. It's getting up there, bro. Getting up there in rock bass stature, right there. On a freaking gulp. I was on a gulp. Dude, that's a freaking 9-inch rock bass. Just calm down, it's right here. Right here, here. It's gonna come right here. Get him right there, right there, right there, right there.
That's actually close to the same size.
Get on some skin. Yes.
That one might be a tad bit bigger. Might.
I like the colors on these. This is such a cool, pretty fish.
Yeah, that's close to the same size.
One Ned rig?
But we never see your videos.
Well, I only post it on YouTube as much as I would.
And if you could just like stop standing in the dark. No! No! Keep that away from me. Bad enough my shirt's already stained.
There's my fishy, folks.
This is fishy. Kiss the fishy. Kiss the fish. Oh, he kissed. Oh, God, you
Yeah, you're not getting any drinks.
He kissed the fishy.
It's okay, I got Gatorade in the car.
He got desperate.
Oh, yeah.
Nearly took me out.
Real quick. Get him, keep him on. Please.
Grab my phone.
Where is he? Where is it?
Right
Where is
here.
it? Where is it? On your lap?
Yes.
I got it here. Keep it on. Keep him on. Oh, slow down. He should be right here. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That's a monster! Holy shit! That's a monster fall fish, bro!
That's a fall fish?
That's a fall fish, bro! Holy fucking shit! Bro! Okay, you're gonna hold him in the mouth. And hold him like this. You can whip him like a freaking bass. Oh, shit. Calm down, buddy, calm down. I'm gonna put him in a net real quick. I'm gonna wipe him off. Okay. Gonna grab him like this. This fall fish actually ended up being a 17-inch fall fish, which is a really nice fall fish for this stretch of the river. Great job, Cody.
She thought I was gonna ask her out over lunch.
I got one. Yeah, I got one. Where's the net? Oh yeah, big one. Big. Here. Get ready. I'm gonna bring it to you.
Down.
It's not near as big as yours, I don't think, but I think it's halfway decent. Wait, listen to me, buddy. Come here. Net him. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! They're munching. Yeah, this one's not near as big as yours because yours had a mouth like actually lip like a smallie, but that one is
Decent size?
decent. That's decent, dude. Look at that. He wanted it. He munched it. This fall fish actually ended up measuring at 15.5 inches, which is still a really good fall fish. Top priority. Oh. Right off the bat. Nice bass. Nice. Yeah, that's what I wanted. It's not as big as the first big one I caught, but he's decent. And you wanted that little wacky Ned rig. Come here, buddy. That is a good fish. That's probably 12, 13 inches. And he ate the Ned rig, wacky rigged. So, you know, I'll take what I can get. That would.
kind of stinks though.
Oh, right there. Holy shit, there's a lot of fish in here. Holy shit. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Got him. Smallie.
Dude, come on.
I'll give you one of these. Give me a second.
The moment I bring you to one of my spots and areas, you catch a bunch of fish.
Look at that Smallie. I'll give you one of these in a minute. Give me a second. You should be catching something on that. If there's Smallies in here, you'll catch it. Use this little ripple shad, and it's working.